Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to upload a video on TikTok using your computer. If you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So, if you don't, in case you don't know, you can use TikTok or you can watch videos from TikTok using your computer. You just need to search for tiktok.com. Okay? And now let's get started. So first, you can see here at the upper part of my screen, there's a upload button, right? So just go ahead and click that. So in order for this to work, you need to save the video that you want to upload on your computer. Okay. So now just go ahead and click on select file. So here, as you can see, these are all the videos. So just choose any videos that you want. And here you just need to wait for it. So there you so here you can also see that split into multiple parts to get more exposure. So you can just go ahead and edit that. And also here you can choose the cover that you want. And here your caption. Also you can just go ahead and choose who can watch this video. So you can choose public, friends, or private. Also you can allow duet, stitch, or comment. So once you're happy with that, just go ahead and click post. So the video is now uploading. So leaving the page does not interrupt the posting process. So that means you can go ahead and do anything that you want. And as you can see here, you can see that the um video is now uploaded. So that is how you do it. I hope this video helps you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notifications so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.